You have a 10-hour flight waiting for you. You have booked the flight with the most comfortable seat and the best entertaining system that you could afford. You know that you will be provided with a blanket and a pillow, and you also know that you can charge your phone using the socket of the seat in front of you. But is this really all it takes for a comfortable flight? Not quite. And that's why now I'm going to show you 5 items that I always bring with me during my long flights to Asia. They are light and small, so there's really no reason why you shouldn't have them with you. Before I show you what they are, please subscribe to my channel so that you will never miss a video about how to be a happy traveler. Let's start. The first item in our list is a pair of earplugs. They can really make a big difference on a long flight, since they block out unwanted noise and help you get some rest, even in a noisy cabin. Next up, we have compression socks. Long-haul flights can be tough on your legs, and compression socks help to improve circulation and reduce swelling. Plus, they're great for preventing deep vein thrombosis. Item number 3 is an eye mask. Blocking out light is essential for a comfortable flight, and an eye mask is the perfect way to do it. They are lightweight and compact, so you won't even notice you're carrying one. What about warm socks? I like to take my shoes off during the flight, and thanks to this extra pair of thick socks, I can walk the aisle when I want to go to the toilet or just stretch my legs without having to put on my shoes every time. Last but not least, facial wipes. Your skin may get very dry during a long flight, and facial wipes are a quick and easy way to freshen up your face and remove any dirt or oil that may have built up during the flight.